All right, Zach, just real quick. I want you to go ahead and move on to the second part of the training. So you did step one, and now you're moving on to step two, which is the ARV training. So, but before we get going on this, let me just reiterate, you are going through this training really right here. Um, so I want to make sure, so you did polling properties, you exported those. And now I want you to move on to ARV training. You will get better about pulling properties once you really get going with the ARV training because you'll start to understand what properties you want to be pulling for once you really go through the ARV training. So um, before you jump into these four videos here, first go up here and watch this video, the intro and the updated video, then come down and watch these four videos, okay? Um, and then I want you to go into this offer template and start making offers. So here it is. Um, the ones I marked green are the ones I'm really interested in getting on right away. Um, but I want you to go ahead and start plugging in the ARV values and determining, what we're going to be offering right here. Okay, so that is your next assignment. So contact me with any questions.